Everyone, today in this video I will tell you how to number pages in Word. First of all, open the MS Word. Now we add some dummy text here. For example, I open the site Lorem Ipsum. So this is the text. Copy it and paste here. You can see, and again paste here, again paste here. So our mission is to number the word pages. So go to insert button, and here you can see number pages. So I select this. So we find that there is 4 number of pages. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.